Today I am going to discuss about the how to create a plexus and subdisks and volume. Okay, before that we should have some disks. Okay, so how to add the disks in VMware? Just go to the VM, then settings, and then add option. So here the hard disk. Okay, press the next, then it will add. Okay, but one restriction is there, cannot we can add only the VM disks in power of state only. So that's the procedure. So after that, give dev-refresh adm, then it will detect the disks. Okay, after that check the disks. Okay, now I have total 7 disks are there. The first one is root disks and the remaining 6 disks are normal disks, each is having a 5 GB. Okay, you can observe here, or else which is having a 5 GB and root disk is having a 25 GB. Okay, now I am bringing the disks, this 1 to 6 disks into veritas control. Okay, before that I am checking whether the veritas is installed or not. Yeah, veritas is installed and the mode is enabled. Okay, so now all the disks are not in veritas control. You can see the status online invalid. That means the disk is not in veritas control. Okay, to bring the disk into veritas control, we use the vx disk setup command. Disk setup -i and give the disk name. So slice is not required. So C2 T0 T0. After that C2 I am putting it under operator, and then it will execute in background. T2 T3 T4. Okay. Okay. After that check the disks. Okay. All the disks are in veritas control except first and last one. So that is the procedure to bring the disks into veritas control. So you can observe here the format, by default format is CDS format, I mean cross platform data format. Okay, so after that create one disk group. Okay, E2 T0 D0. 1 minute. Create a one disk group and then add a disks into disk group. Here my disk group name is DZ. The disk name is D0. I mean it is a disk name of C2 T0 D0. C2 T0 D0. Now you can observe here The disk group DZ consists of a D0 disk. Okay. Now you can add one more disk in the disk group DZ. C2 C1 D0 You can observe here the DC group consists of a D0, D1, D2, D3 disks. Okay. So after that, create one volume by using a vx assist command. Okay, after that create one volume, concatenated volume using vx assist command. Now we can observe here the volume name is con, the plex name is con01, subdisk name is d001. Okay, the size is 4099600 blocks, 200. Okay, so 1 KB having 2 blocks, so the plex is concatenated plex. So after that create a one file system on that volume. Here the volume name is con. Okay, the con volume is in this group DZ. Okay, so it is the raw path of the volume. Okay, and then create a one directory. Then after mount that file system and that con mount directory. So here the size is 200 M, right? Here. Okay. Now my volume is having a single plex. The plex name is con01. Now I am going to mirror that plex for high availability. So we can do by using alternate relayouts. It is a veritas feature. It is not available in SVM and LVM. Okay, so veritas feature. So it's simple. So it's very simple by using a vx assist command. So here this group name is DZ, or else you can observe here that this group is DZ, or else Okay, here the disk group name is dz. Okay, so in online relayouts we cannot directly mirror the plex. Okay, it is not supported. So for mirror volume, the for mirror volume the minimum number of plexes are 2. Now I have only one plex, right? Now I am adding one more plex in that volume by using a vx assist command. It's very simple. Add the keyword mirror and then add the volume name. Here the volume name is con. So you can observe here. Yes. Here plex con 01, it is already there, it is the previous plex. Now I have one more plex, right? Con 02, it is inactive and enabled, it is same size. Okay, so what is the 200m? This plex consists of a 200m, this plex also consists of a 200m. So that is the mirroring. I mean how to relay out the concatenated volume to mirror volume. Okay, it's very simple. Just add the mirror keyword to that volume, then it will automatically create a one plex. So you can observe okay, the size is 200 because it is in mirroring. For more information, just go to the below link and you can find out more tutorials. You can find more tutorials, online layouts. Now my volume is mirror volume, that is the mirror to, I mean to convert the volume to mirror volume. So to convert the mirror it is one more scenario. To convert a, it is a mirror volume, right? To convert a mirror volume to concatenate volume, I mean just reverse back. Okay, whatever I had done in previous, just reverse back. Okay, it's very simple. Just remove that plex from that volume, then it will reverse back the, I mean or else it will roll back the volume to concatenated volume. So just remove the plex from volume control. Just a moment. Okay, just remove the plex, that's all. Here the plex is con02, right? Vx edit icon GGG icon RM con02 to true, right? The plex con02 is associated, so just dissociate that plex, then after that remove the plex. So it's a plex level operation, right? Con02, right? After that, just check the output. So you can observe here the plex con02 is came out from volume. Okay, the state is disabled state. So that is the scenario to remove the plex from volume. Then now this volume is concatenated volume, that's all. So after that, if you want to remove the plex, just remove the plex by using the vx edit command. Just do the plex name. Somebody did a mistake. Yes, the plex is having a subdisk, so I am giving a recursively forcefully. So the plex is removed, so you can observe here con02 is not there, the plex con02 is not there. So that is the scenario. So now volume is concatenated volume. Okay, you can observe here concat. Okay, so that is the procedure. Now I am going to discuss about one more scenario from concatenated volume to striped volume. How to relay out from concatenated to striped volume. Okay, so it's very simple. My volume name is con, so just specify the layout option, stripe, and give the stripe with number of columns. Okay, you can observe here the plex is striped plex. Previously it is a concatenated plex. So the stripe width is 32k. So 6 by 64 means 32. Okay. So n calls. What is the n calls? What is the use of n calls? N call means number of sub disks in each plex. Okay. Here we specified 2. I mean 2 sub disks in each plex. Right. The plex con01 consists of a D03, D3, 02. So that is the scenario. Okay. So after that, just I am relocating the striped volume to concatenated volume. Okay. So this is the scenario. Specify the layout is equal to concat. So now my volume is concatenated volume. So I am going to reload my concatenated volume to stripe mirror volume. How? Same. Specify the layout option. Stripe hyphen mirror. That's all. Stripe hyphen mirror. So stripe hyphen mirror. Yes. You need to add stripe. And you need to add n calls. So you can observe here my volume name is con. The con consists of a con01. This is a plex name. The plex consists of a two subvolumes, con ds01, con ds02. So that's the procedure. After that, I am going to create one more concatenated volume by using a vx assist command. Having the size is 200 m. So it is a concatenated volume. I will create one file system. That is your wish. Now my volume con1 is a concatenated volume. Okay. So now I am going to relayout my concatenated volume to mirror stripe. So before relayouting, add the concatenated volume to mirror stripe, convert that volume to mirror stripe. Now my volume consists of a one plex con101. If I give this command, then it will create a two plexes. Let me check. Convert volume name, specify the layout. Something error came, cannot convert. Sorry. Now my volume is con1. The con1 is striped mirror. Sorry, mirror stripe. Let me check. So my con is a volume. So this volume consists of a subvolumes. Each subvolume consists of a two plexes. So total four plexes are there. So it is a stripe mirroring. Okay. So then after how to relayout a concatenate volume to stripe concatenate volume to mirror stripe. So before that, create one volume. Okay, create one volume name as con4 size 100. Right. After that, convert it. So just a moment. My con4 is concatenated volume. So now I am going to convert a concatenated volume to mirror stripe. Same command. But before that, one thing you should remember. For mirror stripe, how many plexes are required? two plexes are required. With each plex consists of a two subdisks. Okay, that one you should remember. So here directly we can't create a mirror stripe. Sorry, we can't relay out a mirror stripe. Even though you give the relayout of a mirror stripe, then it will automatically create a stripe mirror. I mean, it will create a four plexes. Stripe. N calls equal to 2. Con4. So my con4 is a concatenated volume. Then I relay out a concatenated volume to mirror stripe. So let me check whether it is created or not. Now you can observe here my volume consists of a four plexes, here, here, here and here. So this is not a property of mirror stripe. So it is a property of stripe mirror. I mean reverse. So one volume consists of a two subvolumes, with each subvolume consists of a two plexes. So total four plexes. So my scenario is mirror stripe. So we should convert mirror stripe. Specify the volume name. And do the layout. So you can observe here n calls. N calls represents a number of subdisks in each plex. So you can observe here my volume. So you can observe here my volume is name is con4, which is having a con402 and con403 plexes. So with each plex consists of a D004, D304 and D104, D204. There is this procedure to relay out a concatenation to mirror stripe.